Alright, boys and girls, this is a walking tour of the Malecon here in Lima, Peru, Miraflores. Let's go.
VagaBondVito.
The views are pretty sick. So I'm gonna walk all the way down to the mall, which is called the Larcomar. It's a mall built right into a cliff, so it's pretty sweet. They got all the stores you'd be used to from any mall around the world. So this is it, boys and girls. Let's go. Yeah, so they got a little skate park here too, which is pretty cool. People ride their mountain bikes and BMX bikes, lots of ramps. If you're into that extreme sports stuff, you know. So this is a place called Buena Vista Cafe. This is where I come to get my espresso every single day. So I'm gonna take a little stroll down to Larcomar, which is the famous mall built right into the cliff here. It's not too far down, so let's take a stroll. Yeah, so Lima's bizarrely nice. It's just people walking around, playing with their dogs. Super clean, super safe. At least in this area it is. Miraflores. I almost got jacked on my first day once I left the nice tourist area. Some dude on a motorcycle rolled by on the sidewalk trying to snatch my phone, but thank God I'm so quick and I noticed him coming. I was able to dodge him easily, so no biggie, but beware, they're out here. Lots of surfers in the hood here too, and I didn't have the balls to try to catch any waves myself. I was tempted, but let's go check out the water. It's kind of cool. They got these little nooks with a lot of benches and stuff you can just stop and chill at, so it's perfect for a nice relaxing day. And plus it's overcast today, because when it's sun shining here you get burned up in like 5 minutes, no joke. So beware, bust out that sunscreen if you need it. So this is below the Malecon, bottom of the cliff where all the surfers hang out. So it's a little windy and nice today. Some waves are ripping, so hopefully I can get some good videos of someone wiping out. You never know. So this is Punta Raquitas, which I'm assuming means Rocky Points. Correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, the beach is pretty rocky here, so it's not a nice sandy white beach if that's what you're expecting here in Lima, but the waves are nice if you're a surfer, at least from what I can see today. So they got a nice chopper pad if there's any pro surfers that want to roll up. So I gotta make my way back up these stairs, so abracadabra. The power of magic, right? Moving on. Let's go. See what's next. There's a little Asian thing. Moving on.
Real talk. Real talk. Real talk.
Yeah, so this is a big water tower that was imported. I don't know the history of it, but I heard a little something about it. But yeah, they brought it over here in pieces from France maybe? Look into it. Google it. Moving on, Larcomar, here we come, not too much further. Still going, still going. A little bit more, I promise. Alright, so I'm gonna take these stairs down under this bridge and around, so more calories for me to burn, baby. It's good from all this food I've been eating, so let's go, vamos. Oh yes, my glutes are burning here, baby. Long day walking. Alright, so we are almost there. Poquito más, I promise you this time. It's a little restaurante. Alright, so I'm almost there. Larcomar, I can see it. Bienvenidos, Larcomar. We made it. It's a miracle. Okay, walking tour, so that's a wrap on the Miraflores, Malecon to Larcomar mall, which you can see, it's just like any other mall. Even got a Starbucks for you ladies who love that Starbucks. I'll see you guys in the next one. VagaBondVito.